Hey friends, this is Atif Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my last video, we were watching that how on-chain analysis is showing us that Bitcoin is once again going through a capitulation phase. Therefore, we are again observing this sell-off. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this big falling wedge pattern and also this support on the weekly time frame, and we will also watch these triangles as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to start with this descending triangle. We have been watching these two consecutive descending triangles Bitcoin formed. First was here, and it broke it out here. On 30th of May, we had a nice pump. Again, it formed another descending triangle, but this time it broke down the support and target after this breakdown was approximately $26,500. This was the target. And so far, you can see it has moved down up to $26,868. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame, then here Bitcoin is again moving down to test the support of this falling wedge pattern. And this support of $28,600 is really very important. And I was telling you that we should look at this support, the closing below than this support. Then there can be a possibility that Bitcoin is going to break down the support of the falling wedge pattern as well. And in that situation, I'm expecting that Bitcoin can test this 200 weekly simple moving average. Right now, the value, you can watch the value here. The value of 200 weekly simple moving average is at 22,000 and approximately $300, and it is continuously moving to the upside every week. And within few hours, when next week will be closed, it will be moved more up. And it is also possible that Bitcoin will be moving down with this support of the falling wedge pattern, and it will be moving up continuously, and then it will provide the support to the price line, and then we can expect a reversal move from there. However, so far the price line is not closed below than the support of $28,600. We can see previously we had this move up to $25,400, and I'm still not expecting that Bitcoin is going to set another lower than previous low of this low of May 2022. And from here, we can expect another reversal move at any time that it can start to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. But the closing above this $28,600 will be really very important. Otherwise, it will become a resistance for Bitcoin, because you can see it is breaking as a very, very strong support since after January 2021. We touched here, we had a nice bounce. We tested the support here, we had a nice bounce. Again, we had tested the support here, we had a very slight bounce, but right now we are again moved down. And it is also possible that we are going to form a double bottom at this support. You can see this can be the first bottom, and then we can it can be forming another bottom here, and then it will start another move to the upside to break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. So we need to keep an eye on this support for the next few hours, because the weekly candle is going to close very soon within the next few hours. And if the weekly candlestick will be closed below than this support, then the situation can be really very critical, and we may test first this support of the falling wedge, and we can also test the support of this 200 weekly simple moving average as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.